Hello guys, good evening or good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime in our channel TechZone. Für Leute von Deutschland herzlich willkommen, für Italian benvenuti, for French enchanté, for Spanish hola. Today we're gonna speak about 10AZ mining application. It's awesome application and it's very easy and very simple. As you see in the dashboard of the application, the mining ratio it's 10 EZ per hour. That's meaning 24 per day. It's very easy. Right now we can check our white paper and you will find it directly here. Until now it's not nothing about wallet, but the application still in the beginning. And if you scroll down, you will find it's 100 billion coin and 70% for the community. This is the ratio, and they humbling too much. They want 20 million member, and the percent of ratio will increasing to 5%. That's meaning 5 cent. They will start for 3 bash right now, 2025. A scale of account increasing user activity. And right now I don't know how much we have from member, but I believe it's 10k maximum. There is nothing about the smart contract or also about the price of 10EZ or when it will launch it, but we will see in next months what will happen and what will they announce. They speaking also about KYC and they will do a KYC. Uh, as you see here, the application, they have a Twitter, very easy, very smooth. They make too much things, and the CEO speaking about teenagers on YouTube and the vision of the application and the project working towards. For the application, it's very easy and very simple. If you have any question, I let my referral code to invite you for mining 10 and also if I let my Telegram group. If you have any questions, just ask us in our Telegram group. For now, I can say to you goodbye.